How to turn on or off groups notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off groups notifications on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here click on notifications and scroll down until you find groups. And once you are here, you can turn on notifications about activity in groups you have joined in Facebook. Just turn off where you receive those notifications or turn it on, for example on emails or on SMS. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.